Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel one more time. First of all, Merry Christmas to everybody out there. But today I come bearing gifts and I'm going to be walking you through 10 settings that you need to enable or disable in your Power Apps application before you even start coding. And we're going to go into our settings today and see what 10 settings we should be looking at. So we're going to click on this icon right here and then click on settings. Under general, we come to autosave. Autosave is the first one that we need to actually turn on. This allows our application to be automatically saved after every 2 minutes. Very, very key that this is turned on. And then we're going to go to data row limit. Now, the default number of rows that Power Apps allows you to spool from certain data sources, like say SharePoint, is actually just 500. And then the maximum threshold is 2000. So you'd want to increase this from 500 to 2000 so that you can, yep. So basically, when I enter 20,000, it's actually telling me the value needs to be between 1 and the 2,000. So I'm going to go for the max and then choose the 2,000. The next one I'll do is to enable this setting. I want to be able to debug every app that I publish. So I am going to turn this on. And then finally, under general, I'm going to enable app on stats. This is key because there are lots of things that you'd want to do and then you need to do in your app on stats. If it's disabled, you would have some problems down the line. So under display, the one thing I need you to turn on is this, especially when you're developing mobile compatible applications. You would want to actually turn this on so that your mobile device notifications area is actually showing, else you would get a blank space actually at the top or around your application, and that is aesthetically not pleasing. And then we go under updates, and the first thing that would want to actually turn on is modern controls and then themes. They are modern controls. We started off Power Apps with the classic controls, but then they are now some very nice and aesthetically good looking controls and everything. But unless you turn this on, you're not getting them. So please do turn this on. The next one would be under preview, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, also make sure that Copilot component is turned on. This allows you to integrate or insert your Copilots that you have developed as well. And then you would want to turn on optimize for devices. This allows your screens to be platform friendly, basically, especially when you're using Android and iOS, is what it is. And then you want to turn this on as well, because you would want your Copilot to be one. I've not selected any Copilot now, so that's why it's giving me the reference. But if you have one, please do turn that on. And then lastly, please do turn on Copilot for formulas. It allows you to easily generate your formulas and all, basically AI at your doorstep. And then under experimental, we're going to turn on our web barcode scanner. It comes in very, very handy when you're developing, say, inventory applications and all that. You need to scan some barcodes. This next one has become my favorite, actually, PDF function. And I always turn this on because there are times where you need to generate PDF documents from your screens, your galleries, your containers, and all. It comes in very, very handy, and I would soon do a tutorial on how to use it. The next one is smart email validation, a very good one as well. We'll do another tutorial on that as well. And then under retired, probably two things that I need you to do is to enable your navigate function in your OnStats. Make sure that you're able to use it. And then finally, where we, yes, keep classic themes. Now, even though the modern themes are very, very good, there are things that the classic themes still have a little bit of an edge over the modern themes when it comes to. One of such things that I have observed is drop downs. The drop downs in the classic themes work way better than that in the modern themes. So these are 10. Probably I've probably given you a lot more than I promised, but then these are 10 things that I need you to enable or disable before you actually start coding. So have fun. I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.